Okay, hello. Hello. Now say hello, how are you?
I'm
Chị biết ơn.
I'm fine.
I'm
I'm
fine,
fine.
yeah. Okay, nice. So, are you ready for our test today?
Yes,
Yes, good job. Thank you. Now, the part one, can you introduce a little bit about yourself? Can you introduce a little about yourself? Yeah.
fine.
Yeah. Now, introduce a little bit about yourself. It means like, what is your name?
My name
What
is Binh.
is Bing, right? So, how old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Oh, I'm 10 years old. Now, which class are you in?
I am in class C22.
Oh, she's class 22 now. What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal? Do you like cat?
Yes.
Do you like dog?
No.
No, okay, nice. So do you like pizza?
No.
No, okay, thank you so much. All right, so that is a little bit about yourself. So now we remove the part two. Can you tell me some sentence we learned from Fat Man's story? Okay, can you tell me some sentence we learned from Fat Man's story? Kể lại câu chuyện mà con học ở trong bài Fat Man được không? Can you?
Yes.
Okay, tell me, all right.
There is one man.
Mhm.
He named Tony.
Mhm. And how many weight?
He weighed 500 pounds.
Yeah. So what food do he only eat?
He, 1 month. He eats only grass.
He eat only grass, right? Okay, thank you. So now remove the part three, that is reaction. I will ask you some question related to Fat Man story, and you will answer my question, okay? Yeah? All right. Now, who is the fat man?
Tony.
Tony the fat man. What does Tony want to? What does Tony want? He want to gain weight or he want to lose weight?
He wants to lose weight.
Yeah, he wants to lose weight. Okay. So who say, you must lose weight or you will die?
Her doctor.
Doctor, yeah, doctor said you must lose weight, you will die. So his mommy said you must lose weight or you will die.
No.
No, good job. No, very nice. So how many miles does he walk every day?
12.
12 miles. Now, who does Tony meet at the restaurant? Who does Tony meet?
Beautiful woman.
Oh, beautiful woman. So, what does beautiful woman cook for Tony?
Healthy food.
Yeah, healthy food. Okay. So, after 6 months, does he lose any weight? After 6 months, does he lose any weight?
120 pounds.
20 pounds. Good job. Yeah, he lose some weight, right? Okay, that's it. So remove the next to the part four. So I will use my body language, and after that you can guess. Oh, what the teacher want to say. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Now listen to me. Now.
They eat fat meat.
There is a fat man, and what is it?
Grass tastes terrible.
Yeah, the rest state whatever. Okay. So now.
Her doctor say,
Mm-hmm.
lose weight or you will die.
Yeah, you must lose weight or you will die now.
Every day.
Hmm?
He walk 12 miles.
Yeah, it is already he was 12 miles. Okay, the next.
Tony meet beautiful woman.
Good job. So you meet a beautiful woman. Okay, nice. Thank you so much. So now the next. I will show you one of the picture, and after that you can read some sentence for me, okay? Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? No, okay. Now read for me from at the restaurant to after 6 months.
At the restaurant, he meets a beautiful woman. She like him. He like her. They begin to date every day. The woman cooks healthy food for the fat man. After 6 months, she weighed only 10 at 170 pounds. Tony is thrilled.
Yeah, in Israel. Okay, thank you. That's it. We will finish our test today and see you later. Goodbye.
Bye.